There's the house down there. It's all fenced in, but nature let me in. They downed the tree and they just fenced it. House, that's the house I really want to go in. Alright, let's take a quick look in this one. How haunted. Wow. This property is all state owned. Voices newspaper. It is 2010. Adams rib rest, man. Pretty cool. Oh look, that's an old refrigerator. Wow. Cool stuff in here. What are these? Oh, more newspapers. Those things that keep the water off of them. Let's see. Oh, 2010. November 4th, 2010. Full power tool there. Belts in there. Folgers coffee. What is that? That looks like an old one there, huh? I don't want to spend too much time in here because I really want to go see the house. There's a box. Empty. Some pipes over there. Okay. So 2010 on the newspaper. Alright, let's go look at the other building across the way there. There's a house there. Alright, we got this building here. Oh my lord, there's a lot of stuff in here. Is that a trap door there? Wow. This is kind of cool. Some wine in a box. Cabinets. Some kind of bird nest there. Look at the old locks on the door. Yeah, that's some kind of trap door for the basement. There's a lot of stuff in here. Ooh. Help keep this plant safe and clean. That's a couple of old industrial heaters. Pretty cool stuff. Wow. Bathroom, look at that blue toilet. Wow. Still some stuff in the medicine cabinet. Some kind of shop. Mattresses over there. Kodak. Premium processing. Yeah. That's old. Kodak film. There's some kind of cleaner for the floor, I guess. Wow. Pretty neat. A little musty in here. I saw stairs going down, so let's go take a peek. What's that? Tomato fillets, 74.40. Wow, some old cans here. What is this one? 7-11 tomatoes. Never heard of those. I almost stepped on that trap door. I don't want to do that. Yeah, let me go around this way. Some saws there. Okay. Yeah, ooh, that's creepy down there, huh? Look how steep the steps are too. Well, let's see if they're safe. Seems pretty sturdy, so let's hold my weight. Very steep. Looks like steel beams holding it up, so. Oh wow, there's not really much down here. Just a little, just a little dungeon. So we won't be going down there. Okay. I almost fell. Alright, I'm gonna shut it off until I get outside. Okay, so there's the house. Let's see if we can go take a quick peek before they tear it down. It's all opened up, the door's wide open, so oh, this is cool. Alright. Alright, let's take a quick peek. It's pretty much falling apart, but it's okay. A bunt pan there, a fax machine. Oh wow. Oh my god. Look at the floor. There's buckets of water there, and the floor is caving in right there, so I gotta be very careful walking over here. And here's a magazine from 1986. Still curtains on the wall there. Old chair here. Oh boy. I'm gonna walk on the side of that where that's caving in. Look at this belt buckle. Oh, this is for a horse. Wow, that's cool. Yeah, that's for a horse. Yeah, I could see why they don't want people in here. Look at that chandelier. Wow. Well, I've been driving by this for I'd have to say years. There's an old knife case. Yeah, that floor is sinking in right there. Wow. So, you have to be very careful. Don't want to fall through the floor. We have the kitchen, the coffee pot still in the same place they left it. There's a can that's all these cans that are completely rusted. Asparagus, ooh. Want some asparagus? Sliced beets. Mushrooms. Wow. There's some pasta there. Anybody hungry? Ken's Steakhouse. Oh, this stuff is cool. Pretty neat. Some more corn up there. Refrigerator. That's pretty stuck open. I don't want to open that anyway. Look at that shelf paper in there though. It's pretty neat. Yeah, this house was foreclosed a long time ago. I hear the wind outside. I thought the floor was sinking in on me. Pretty cool stuff. There's a calendar. (2009) on the calendars. And they still have stuff on the bulletin board there. Sewing machine table. Alright, let's see if I can get by here without going down the floor there. There's the basement. What's this door here? Oh, that just goes to a bathroom. Basement. Look at the stairs to the basement. Those stairs are going to cave in. If I walk down those stairs, I'll never get back up. So, what is this? Like a laundry room? Oh, this is a bathroom. Bathroom. Even this floor though is a little soggy. I should probably look at the ceiling first, because if the ceiling is wet, that means the floor is going to be pretty wet, you know. Toilet, shower, no bathtub, just a shower. Nice big shower. I like those. Nobody really takes baths too often anymore anyway. I know I like just showers. Okay. And there's this room. Wow. I like this little built-in shelf here. Look at that. That's nice. And then more little built-in shelves there. That looks like an old restaurant chair almost. Yeah, I bet that is. You got that from a restaurant. Look at the floor buckling there. Wow. And there's the ceiling collapsing right there. Wow. I'm really taking my chances in here. There's another built-in cabinet. That's nice. I like those. Alright, old reclining chair. That's, wow. What is that? Is that an alarm or a heater? Temperature. Got all wood paneling. Yeah, ooh, look at that floor buckling in the middle there. That's not safe at all. But ooh, there's a gun rack there. Yeah, oops, there's all stuff over there. Little card table here. Wow, that floor just made a lot of noise. Special kind of friend. Old computer monitor. Yeah, I'm not going over there because you can see the ceiling coming down there. Whew. Anyway. That's pretty bad. Too bad, because that's where the stairs are going up too. Unfortunately, yeah, we won't be able to go upstairs. That's where the whole ceiling's coming down. And if the ceiling's coming down there, that means the floor. That's the floor. And yeah, there's just some paperwork in there. Okay. I don't think there's another way to go upstairs. Yeah, that's about it then, unfortunately. Yeah, this is very soft. I don't see too much down there anyway. All right. Ooh, yeah. Stick to the side. You don't want to go down in the basement, remember? Pretty neat. Oh, this is a desk. I didn't even realize that. I thought that was just a table. This is an old desk with a bunch of paperwork in it. Wow. Okay.